Hey guys, it's your girl OG Teddy B and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this blue smoked out eye. I don't even know what to call it yet. I was inspired by my t-shirt. It's Mario Kart. There's Luigi and Yoshi. So I was inspired by my shirt to do this makeup look. I just thought the colors were really cool. And it was kind of challenging at first, but I got it together. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's get into this video. I am already, well, I'm halfway made up, but let's get in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Nice. Okay, so my eyebrows are done, my foundation is already on, and we are gonna get this shirt together. This shirt, oh my god. This look together that's inspired by my shirt. So we're starting with the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour extended eye base, and I'm applying that to my lid. I really like this product because it honestly, the staying power on this is amazing. I've said this in my previous videos, and that hasn't changed. Get you this product if you don't have it already. The first eyeshadow I'm using is Electric Eel by MAC. I'm using a BH Cosmetics fluffy blending brush, and I'm actually working this eyeshadow into my eyelid. I'm actually going in like circular motions and kind of going back and forth, but I'm just working it in, okay? So it should look something like this when you're done. The second color I'm using is Atlantic Blue, and I'm focusing this one a little more on the outer part of my eye, but still going in the circular motions. So I'm kind of running it along the lash line, up into the crease, but focusing more so on the outer edge, and I'm going in that circular motion to blend it out. It should also look like this when you're done. So I'm taking this black shadow from ABH, I believe it's called Noir, and I'm using a denser brush, and I'm kind of focusing that specifically on the outer eye area, and I'm using small circular motions to really blend that into my eye. When you're using black, you want to be really careful because it's black, and if you mess up, have fun blending that out. So take your time if you're using black. Pick up small amounts at a time like I kind of did here, and just take your time and blend it in and work it into the eye. You see me like shifting around a bit, it's because I wanted to get like the right angle to blend it properly. Then what I'm doing now is grabbing that same fluffy brush. So this is the brush I use to apply Electric Eel and Atlantic Blue, and I'm using that to kind of blend everything together. So again, I'm going in the same small circular motions and I'm blending everything together. I did not add any more product onto this brush. I just picked it up and used what was already on it, and now I'm just blending it all together. I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm using my favorite concealer. That's my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC45, and I'm using a flat shader brush. Now, I've showed you guys this process before in another video. I can't remember which one it was, but take your time when you are cutting your crease. If you do not take your time, this will look sloppy and ugly, and we don't want to have that happen, okay? So just take your time. Nobody's rushing you. Just take your time and it should look like that. Now I'm going back into that first shade, which is Electric Eel, and I'm applying that to my lid. You want to pack this shade on. And you probably want to use a synthetic brush because it tends to pack the product on a little more intensely, which is what I'm using here. So I'm using like a regular flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm packing it on. So I am blending that black color into the blue color, obviously, because we want the transition to be fairly seamless. But in doing that, I did lose a bit of the blue, so I started packing it on again. Now, when I mean packing it on, I mean like packing it on. But once that is done, it should look flawless, kind of like this. And yeah. So I'm using my Blacktrack eyeliner just to kind of line my eyes. I'm not doing a wing, but I just want my lash band to be a little darker, so my lashes look a little more intense. And I'm applying my Hot and Naughty 2 Black Lash mascara as well, and putting that on my lids. Well, not on my lids because obviously you don't put it there, but my lashes. And then I'm going to apply some false lashes after I apply mascara. I apply the mascara first because it kind of gives me like a starting point to put my lashes on. So I'm applying my lashes, and these are the wispies, and then I'm lining my eyes with my Sephora Collection black eyeliner. This eyeliner is really good. It's actually really intense. And once I'm done that, the 3 colors that I added on my lid, I'm actually going to apply them at the bottom. We're starting with Electric Eel. Then we're going into Atlantic Blue. And then we're just adding Noir kind of towards the end of it, just so it keeps that smoky eye look. And then I decided to put this color Tilt right in my inner eye corner just to kind of brighten up the look and kind of brighten up my eyes a bit. I am applying the mascara again on my lower lashes, putting on some simple lip gloss, just a clear gloss, nothing too, nothing too special. And then here we go. There you have it, the finished look. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.